This is Renee from 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 13. And today I'm going to talk to you about membership perks. So one idea for a membership perk or benefit that you can provide for your group is having a foundation course. So what is a foundation course? So sometimes imagine that you have ongoing content as part of your membership. Perhaps you create or go live on your group a couple times a month, or maybe upload a new training video once a week. But a lot of the times, if I'm a brand new member in your course, sometimes what may happen is maybe I'm not up to speed with some of the basics that you teach and you cover. So there might be a benefit for me to take some sort of foundation or crash course that'll get me up to speed so I can better not only understand, but benefit from the content that you create on an ongoing basis. So this is a really good service for your members so that everyone has a great experience. And this may be, it may be one video, it may be 3 or 4 videos. And this is where I think social learning units really come in handy. So you could definitely put your foundation course as part of the units. And it doesn't have to be something great or ongoing, and it shouldn't be something that continuously grows, because it's meant to be just the foundational stuff to get me, a new member, up to speed with what you're teaching. So sometimes when you launch a new membership, a lot of the times you may not have the foundation course recorded. So maybe that's what you deliver the first few weeks of your membership, so that you'll not only be delivering value every week perhaps, but you're also creating that foundation course. So you don't have to have it day one. You could always create it, record it live, or upload it once a week, a video once a week, till you have it at the beginning of the membership. So it could be part of the initial ongoing content. One thing to know though, it's not meant for you to add. Let's say you come up with 4 main foundational topics for your expertise that you want people to get familiar with. It's not meant for you to add continuously to it, to a point where there's so much that I, as a new member, won't really be able to consume it quickly and get up to speed. It's meant to be a short crash course just to get me up to speed, not an ongoing library. So I hope this helps. That's one big perk that's very, very popular. You don't have to call it a foundation course. It could be a crash course or a fast start course or get up to speed course or whatever you might want to call it. But that's the idea, is what is the main basic training that's gonna benefit that new member, get them up to speed as to your expertise, understand the basics so they can better consume your ongoing content. So hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next tip.